Soft-feathered and ghost-like, the barn owl waits.
Soundless wings search for movement below.
As daylight fades, the night awakens. Barn owls hunt using sound, even in total darkness. The forest's powerful ruler surveys its territory.
Its grip is strong enough to crush prey instantly.
Strength and speed combine in one strike. Cold landscapes shape fearless hunters.
Patience stretches across endless horizons. Snowy owls hunt during daytime in polar regions.
The frozen terror. Giants rule the shadows of stone.
Vision pierces the deepest night. Owls can turn their heads nearly all the way around. The night listens carefully.
Silent wings leave no warning.
When morning returns, the hunters fade away.